Dear friends, today we shall discuss divisibility rule by 3. What is the divisibility rule by 3? We say that if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Let us take some example. Suppose I have taken one number, that is 24. I have taken one number is suppose we have taken 24. That means if the sum of the digits, we have to add this number, that is 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6. If this number, if 6 is divisible by 3, if 6 is divisible, let us take, by dividing 6 by 3, it is 3 to the 6. That means it is divisible. Therefore, this number 24 is also divisible by 3. Right? Let us take, let us divide 24. 24, 3, 8 is 24. Right? That means if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Take another example. Suppose the example is 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. If we add the numbers, that is 2. Add the numbers 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6. That means 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, the number is 12. Now, if we divide 12 by 3, it is 3 4 12, 3 4 12. That means it is divisible or multiple, you can say. Therefore, this 3 4 6 is also divisible by 3. Let us divide 2 4 6, 2. The number is 2, 4 and 6. We are dividing by 3. 3, 3, 3 8 24, 6, 3 2 6. Right? That means if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Let us take another example. Suppose the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. If we add the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. That means 4 plus 6, 10 plus 3, 13, 14, 15, 16. That means it is 16. If we divide 16 by 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15, the remainder is 1. That means it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is not divisible by 3. Right? That means we can say that if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. You have to remember this one, that divisibility by 3 is if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.